beautiful.
Hello friends and hello all my subscribers. I would like to invite everyone to become a member in our join button here at Ed's Dance and Food. And what will you get for being a member? Of course, you will have some perks like there will be emoji after your name, there will be shout outs, there will be videos exclusively for the members, and live stream also for you. I hope that I can have at least 10 to 15 members before I can do that. And by the way, I would like to share with you my passion of exercises. And if you have some suggestions or recommendations, whatever dance you would like me to share with you, then I can research on that dance and I will make a video on that dance. As of now, my videos are combination of folk dance, modern dance, tribal dance, and trending music and dance, all for you. I have prepared also exercises, my hula hoop, my walking, my jogging, my Zumba, all for you guys. So I hope that you will enjoy coming here in my video, in my channel, Ed's Dance and Food. We need to have fun, we need to have love, we have to exercise, because exercise will make you forever young. Take care of your body, and these are the clips from my live stream. Okay guys, you are all welcome to come and be a followers or subscribers of our channel, and if you like, you can also become a member. Okay. And what are the advantages of a healthy lifestyle? Number one, it reduces the risk of most diseases, including heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Improving your joint stability, flexibility, strength, stamina, and range of movement. As I said, forever young. I wanna be forever young. So we do exercises, we do movement, we do things that we enjoy so that we can make our body productive and always on the go, go, go. Why is maintaining a healthy lifestyle important? Why is it important to have a healthy lifestyle? So along with eating right and being active, it's very important to have real health, including getting enough sleep, practicing mindfulness, even not drinking alcohol or drinking alcohol in moderation. We practice regular floss and toothbrushing, visit your dentist at least twice a year, and then of course, we need to manage our stress in the workplace or even in the family or in the environment where you are near. Keep our body, mind, and body fit. It's very important to drink water and stay hydrated. Let us exercise regularly. That's why every morning I try to do Zumba. You are all invited to our Zumba. And then what else? We need to be we need to avoid smoking at all costs, because smoking is really not good for our well-being and for our health. Healthy living means maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So having a healthy lifestyle includes nutritious food that we eat. We get enough sleep and rest. We manage our stress. We try to work with people who love us. And do not insist yourself to the people who don't appreciate you. Okay? Other tips for a healthy lifestyle. Of course, exercise regularly and be physically active. Measure and watch your weight. Limit unhealthy foods and eat healthy meals. Take multivitamin supplements. Vitamin C is very important. Vitamin E, vitamin B1, and B12 and B6. Drink water and stay hydrated. And limit the sugared beverages or juices. Be physically active. So if you can walk, you must choose walking instead of always taking a ride. Get enough sleep, go easy on alcohol, and stay sober. So here in our channel, Ed's Dance and Food, I hope you can dance along with me. I have lots of shorts, video where we can dance together. Okay, so at this extreme moment, we began working from home. Yeah, in our channel, Ed's Dance and Food, we don't need to have expensive membership in the gym. You can just dance along with me and we will do it at home. We do not, as much as possible, we do exercises without gadget or without equipment so that all of us can become physically healthy without paying fees and monthly dues in the gym, okay, or health club. Next, living a sedentary lifestyle will increase the odds that you will have sickness. So avoid excessive eating and excessive salt and sugar in our diet. Excessive sitting is also not good for us. Excessive stress, anxiety, and depression. In particular, many of us will gain some weight during the pandemic and may keep the extra weight permanently. But please consider being healthy because we do not like the risk of having the type 2 diabetes, hypertension, heart attack, stroke, and other health problems. Okay.
You're beautiful.
And thank you for watching, guys. I love you. God bless.